Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed. Welcome to our video of the pellet grill versus gas grill. Watch until the end to know our verdict on which grill is better. So the main difference between a pellet grill and a gas grill is how they're fueled. Even before we look into how these two grills are fueled, it's important to note that fuel efficiency is a key factor when deciding which grill to go with. Gas grills operate using propane tanks or natural gas lines. On the other hand, pellet grills cannot function without wood pellets. Not only wood pellets, but also electricity to power the fans, digital controls, and auger. So a gas grill is the cheaper alternative based on how it is fueled, as you'll only incur natural gas costs. Versatility. Most gas grills can easily hit high temperatures of up to 600 degrees, but can only sustain low temperatures of not below 450 degrees. This happens because most gas grills are not equipped with excellent insulation to retain heat, making it hard to maintain low temperatures consistently. On the other hand, the temperature range for pellet grills starts as low as 200 to 600 degrees. Pellet grills can therefore be used for several functions, including smoking, baking, and even roasting, as they can sustain low temperatures for a long time. That makes pellet grills more versatile in temperature regulation. Temperature control. Pellet grills take much longer to preheat compared to gas grills. However, once they've already fired up, controlling and maintaining a certain temperature when using a gas grill is quite difficult. On the other hand, pellet grills are equipped with temperature control features on the digital control panels. These allow you to set specific temperatures consistently for a long time. Pellet grills are more efficient when it comes to temperature control. Comparison table. The table shows that pellet grills offer a wider temperature range, and they can hit lower temperatures. Furthermore, pellet grills are more versatile and expensive compared to gas grills. Similarities. Both pellet grill and gas grill are very user-friendly, and they're convenient to use. Furthermore, the maintenance of both grills is the same. You should clean them after every use to keep them functioning properly. Verdict. So, which is better? Pellet grills are better because they can consistently maintain temperatures as low as 200 degrees, making them more versatile. Furthermore, pellet grills allow you to set precise temperatures when grilling, unlike a gas grill, where you must continuously make adjustments. That said, gas grills are a cheaper option if you're on a budget. That's it for today's video. If you liked it, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Till next time.